discussing type 6. So type 6 is what? Integration problem solving by using relation. Okay, so here we are going to find out some relation. So using that relation we can solve many problems. Okay, so first we are taking what? First is integration of sine power nx into dx. Okay, so here we are going to find out one relation so that we can do easily integration. If n value is 10, so sine power 10x dx. So how to integrate? So for that we are finding one relation. Then how to find out that relation, that we are discussing here. So here power is n. So what we are taking, this one is what? In. If n is 10, then what will come? I10 equal to what? Integration of sine x to the power 10 dx. So we have to find out integration of sine x to the power 10 dx. So here we are going to find out one relation here. So for finding that relation, what you are doing, this one we have to separate into two parts. So in equal to, we can write as what? Integration of sine x to the power n, we are writing is what? Sine x to the power n minus 1 into sine x dx. Okay, so sine x to the power n we are separating as what? Sine x to the power n minus 1 into sine x dx. Okay, so here we are using by-part formula. So for using by-part formula, this one we will take as what? Integrating function, and this one is differentiating function. Okay, this one is integrating function and this one is differentiating function. Okay, so how to use? So I am using here formula integration of fx into gx into dx. Okay, so this one is what? Integrating function. Okay, integrating function. So what will come here? Fx is outside, integration of gx into dx minus big integration differentiation of fx d by dx of fx into integration of gx into dx, and outside is what? Dx. This will come. So this formula if you apply here, then what will come? In equal to sine x to the power n minus 1 integration of sine x dx minus big integration of d by dx of sine x to the power n minus 1 into integration of sine x dx, bracket close, and this is dx. So what will come here? In equal to sine x to the power n minus 1 and sine x dx integration, what will come? Minus cos x minus big integration d by dx of sine x to the power n minus 1. So this one differential, what will come? N minus 1 into sine x to the power n minus 2, and sine x differential, what will come? Cos x, and integration of sine x is what? Minus cos x, and outside is what? Dx. This will come. So this one we can add what? In equal to what? Minus of sine x to the power n minus 1 cos x. Okay, this is minus, so if you take outside, this will become plus, plus integration of, this will come what? N minus 1 into sine x to the power n minus 2, and cos x into cos x, what? Cos square x. So this one we can add what? 1 minus sine square x dx. This one we can write. So what we can write here? In equal to minus of sine x to the power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 into sine x to the power n minus 2 if you multiply inside, and here we are doing integration is separate. So if I have integration of fx plus minus gx dx, so this one we can write integration of fx plus minus integration of gx dx. So this rule we are applying here. So this one we can add what? N minus 1 sine x to the power n minus 2 dx, this one integration, and what will come here? Minus n minus 1 integration of sine x to the power n minus 2 into sine square x. So this one we can write sine x to the power n dx. This one we can write. Okay, So what will come here? This is in. This one is what? Minus of sine of x to the power n minus 1 into cos x plus this will come what? N minus 1 and integration of sine x to the power n minus 2 dx. So this one what we can write? See, if I put here n value is what? N minus 2. So this will come integration of sine x to the power n minus 2 dx. So this one we can add what? I of n minus 2 minus n minus 1 and this is nothing but what? In. So what will come here? In. Clear? So if I take in this side, so what will come here? In plus n minus 1 into in equal to minus of sine x to the power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. This will come. So from here what will come? In plus n minus 1 into in. So this will come n times in equal to this side what will come? Minus of sine x to the power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. So if I take n in denominator, what will come? In equal to what will come? Minus 1 by n sine x to the power n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 1 divided by n into in minus 2. This will come. So this is the relation. So by using this relation we can solve many problems. Okay, because in we got, suppose here we want in minus 2. So instead of n, what you will put? N minus 2. So what will come here? I of n minus 2. So here what will come? Minus 1 divided by n minus 2 sine x to the power, if I put here n minus 2, so n minus 2 minus 1, so what will come? N minus 3 cos x as it is plus here what will come? N minus 3 divided by n minus 2 I of n minus 4. Similarly in minus 4 we want. So what will go? Instead of n you will put n minus 4. So what we can say? In minus 4. What will come? Minus 1 divided by n minus 4 sine x to the power n minus 4 minus 1. So what will come? N minus 5 cos x plus, if you put here n minus 4, what will come? N minus 5 divided by n minus 4 I of, here if I put n minus 4, what will come? N minus 6. Like that it will be continue. Okay, so what is I2? Okay, I2 what will come? If I put here 2, so what will come here? Minus 1 by 2 sine x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1 only, into cos x plus, here what will come? 2 minus 1, that is 1, and this is 2, so 1 by 2 and I naught. So what will come? I0, and I0 value we can find out. So if I put in value 0, so I0 is what? Integration of sine x to the power 0 dx. So this is nothing but what? I0 equal to what? Integration of dx. So this we can write x plus c. So I0 value we will put here. So we will stop because after that it will become negative. Okay, so till I0 we have to find out, because I0 will come what? X plus c. So further integration will not come. So if you want I10, okay, I10. So I10 is what? Integration of sine x to the power 10 dx. Okay, then first I10 will convert in terms of I8. Then I8 we have to find out what? In terms of I6. Then I6 will come what? I4. And I4 will come what? In I2. And I2 will come in I0. Okay, like that we can find out I10 integration. Okay, so here what we will do? In minus 2 value we will put here. Then in minus 4 put value here. Then so on, everything we can do. So by using this relation, we can find out integration of sine x to the power 10. Next we are taking example. So here we want I4. So I4 is what? Integration of sine x to the power 4 dx. Okay, so here if I put n value is 4, so same will come. So we want to integrate this one. So we already discussed how to integrate in type 4. So this one we have to reduce the power 4. But here we are discussing by using relation. So in is what? Integration of sine x to the power n dx. So we got this relation. Okay, so we by using this relation we are integrating this one. Okay, So first thing what we will do, we will put n value 4 here. So what will I4 equal to minus 1 by 4 sin x to the power 3 cos x plus 3 divided by 4 I of 2 will come. Then we will find out I2. So I2 what will come? I2 is what? If I put n value 2 here, what will come? Minus 1 by 2 sin x to the power 2 minus 1, 1 only, cos x plus 1 divided by 2 I naught. And what is I naught? So I naught is nothing but what? Here we have to put n value is what? 0. So this is called integration of sin x to the power 0 dx. So this is what? X plus c. So what we can write? I4. So I4 is nothing but what? Minus 1 by 4 sin x to the power 3 cos x plus 3 by 4 I2. So I2 value if you put here, so what will come here? Minus 1 by 2 sin x cos x plus 1 by 2 I naught. So I naught value is what? X plus c. So what will come here? X plus c. This will come. So this one we can simplify. So I4 is what? Minus 1 by 4 sin x to the power 3 cos x plus, this is what, if you multiply here, what will come? Minus 3 by 8 sin x cos x plus, if I multiply 3 by 4 here, so what will come here? 3 by 8 x plus 3 by 8 c. And this one we can add what? C dash, because constant into constant is what? Constant only. So this one we can add C dash. So what will come here? I4 is nothing but what? Minus 1 by 4 sin x to the power 3 cos x minus 3 by 8 sin x into cos x plus 3 by 8 x plus C dash. This is your answer.